This week we sail approximately 23 nautical miles from Yes Bay to Fitzgibbon Cove, our first stop in Misty Fjords National Monument. We track all of our trips in Sea People, and we'd love to share with you 30 days of Sea People Plus free. Just scan the QR code or visit our landing page, seapeopleapp.com/Ciao Bella. Behm Canal rises quietly around us, mountains lifting straight out of the water, their forests fading into the mist. The air is never still. Birds move through the space above the canal, circling the cliffs, skimming the water, calling out and then disappearing again. They follow the tides, the fish, the seasons. Their wings trace the scale of the landscape, reminding you how alive this place is, even in its silence.
Alright, yeah, but I feel like those should be like labeled, like on the map, you know?
It is.
It is?
Yeah.
Alright, well I'm glad you're looking at the map.
I thought I was seeing like UFOs.
Wes. Alright, boys. We're cleared. Good job.
Cool.
We just passed our first deadhead. We're going like 7 knots right now. So that would have done some damage, but the water the water totally changed colors. It's like feels like we're in a river right now. Very silty. But we're definitely entering fjord land. Like, it's really beautiful. The sun came out for the first time in a long time, thank God. Like there's a waterfall up there too.
Across Behm Canal. I think the south arm of the Behm Canal. Not sure. The east. I feel like this isn't right.
all of our like navigational equipment on board just isn't right. Like the direction we're facing, the arrows are all pointing the wrong way and all in different directions. So every time it's a guess.
That way's north? I don't think so. That way's west to me.
Doesn't matter what you think. What is it?
North. That way is north.
Okay.
So I guess we're on the east end of the east arm of Behm Canal. It's called Fitzgibbon Cove.
All right.
It's on the other side of that mountain.
And how far away?
We are.
Well, mountain. There's a lot of them. That one?
Yeah. We're on the other inside of that thing.
All right. So we're not going there?
No.
All right.
That's dead end.
All right.
That's how they get you.
Oh, you're so attentive.
As we enter Fitzgibbon Cove, the world tightens and softens at the same time. Steep, forested hills close in, their reflections folding perfectly into the water below. Everything slows here. The colors deepen, and the cove feels less like a place you pass through and more like a place you arrive. The surface goes still, mirroring clouds, trees, and light until it becomes hard to tell where the land ends and the canal begins.
On all these islands poop rocks because we can take Porter to go for a poop on them without fear of a bear. We keep lying to ourselves and saying that bears don't swim.
The water in Behm Canal shifts constantly. Deep blue gives way to green, then to lighter tea-colored tones where fresh water spills down from the mountains. Tannins from the forest stain the surface, turning the coves dark and reflective, like polished glass.